Hello guys, you're welcome to FTGfx Tv. FTGfx will say profit better than salary. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to receive notifications whenever we have new videos up here. I'm your host, Da Costa, the Forex market expert. Now we're putting out good videos to help traders understand what Forex trading is all about, how to trade easily, safely and profitably. In today's video, we are going to talk about the trading sessions that we have in Forex trading. Yes. So yes, I know you know that the Forex market is the largest financial market, highest with the highest liquidity. It trades 24 hours a day, 5 days in a week, etc. But you need to also understand that not all the times in a day or in the days are active. So yes, it's open 24 hours, but not all the times in the day are very active, or not all the times in the day has higher liquidity. Okay, so example, trader comes in the market maybe 7 a.m. he leaves for lunch around 10 a.m. etc. So the in and outs of traders constitutes the liquidity of the market and also how active the market is. Okay, so the Forex market in a day is broken up into 4 main sessions. Okay, we have the Sydney session, we have the Tokyo session or the Asia session, we have the London session or the European session, we have the New York session. Okay, so it starts off with the Sydney session. Now the Sydney session normally opens around say from 5 p.m. to maybe 12 midnight. Okay, and then from 12 midnight to 17 GMT to around maybe 24 GMT. The Tokyo session opens around say 24 GMT to 8 GMT. The European session opens from 7 a.m. GMT to 7 GMT to 13 GMT to 13 GMT, and then America session opens from 12 GMT to 17 GMT. So it revolves in that order. Okay, so the market is mainly broken up into 4 main sessions, and the reason for this is the American or the typical American man's day starts. It depends on how how we are all positioned on the globe. Okay, so the American man wakes up around say 13 GMT. By then the European man or the man living in London had already woken up and doing different things. Okay, so basically that's all the trading sessions is about. Okay, so you need to know when you have a lot of traders on the market, and then understand how, when, at what time do you need to trade and all. Okay, so even though the market is open 24 hours in a day, not all the times are very active. We have 4 main sessions: the Sydney session, the Tokyo or the Asian session, the London or European session, the New York session or the American session. You need to understand all of these. Okay, so we are done with today's video. I just wanted to introduce to you the trading sessions we have in a typical trading day. Okay, we have 4 main sessions like I stated. Now the question of the week is, what is an overlap session? What is an overlap session? Okay, send your answers to us via email ftgfx@webirdgroup.com, and on our social media platforms. On Facebook is Forex Trading in Ghana, on Instagram is FTGfx, and yes, that's it. Make sure you get the answers right so that we can add you to our free Forex Signal channel to enable you to understand or make some profits whilst you are still learning. I'm your host, Da Costa, the Forex market expert. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, okay, to receive notifications when we have new videos here. FTGfx We say profit better than salary. Bye bye.